Hey, I'm Brent. You're watching Steam Culture. Today, I'm really gonna sock it to you. Stay tuned, you'll see what it means. Hey, I'm Brent. You're watching Steam Culture. I'm guessing you got here one of two ways. You made it by mistake, or you actually made a choice to be here. We're grateful for you. Either way, if you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button so that you can be here by choice. Every Friday, we try and make the case for where Steam and culture coexist. And today, I'm going to do this by telling you about socks. Well, you know, the kids love their socks these days. There's all kinds of fancy forms, not just the basic white knee-highs that people like me had growing up. You know, you've got the kids with their dressy socks, you got the CrossFitters with their socks. Myself, I like a good pair of socks. Really helps me get a leg up on my day. I digress. So I want to tell you a little bit about socks and where Steam plays a role. Now, if you've been in a sock factory, which I haven't, but I have on YouTube, there are tons of sewing machines. And these sock manufacturers really know how to build these socks with just one seam is that one that goes across the top. And miles and miles and miles of yarn and intricate sewing machines. But I need to tell you, Steam does play a role, and here's where it plays a role. You know, that sock you're wearing came out of the sewing process about 3 times larger than it is right now. So they have to get it down to size. And one is through a large dryer. Who cares about that? Steam boarding process is what I want to tell you about. Now look at this thing, looks like a giant leg lamp. So what you're looking at is the board that they use to form the sock shape. Now this sock gets placed on the board and it goes through a little chamber where steam is applied to the sock. Now that steam is what sets the shape of the sock, and if they didn't, when you put it in your washer and dryer, it would come out, it would lose all of that shape. It would just kind of be a wrinkly, unformed mess. So that steam helps set the shape of the sock. And you learned that because you tuned in on Steam Culture. So speaking of that, tune in next Friday because I'll have great content for you every week. Also check out our bowling points while you're there. And remember, real men wear colorful socks.